One suitcase of toilet paper?
Don't worry, honey. This one also.
Oh, then it's good. Easy enough. Easy.
Yeah. Netherlands is very eco-friendly. The country has developed a system that incentivizes people to return their containers for recycling, which is a common practice in here to promote sustainability. It's a great way to keep the environment clean and reduce waste. Have you heard about Statiegeld? When you buy a beverage with a bottle deposit after enjoying your drink, instead of throwing the container away, you can return it to a reverse vending machine. In return, you receive deposit money back. It encourages recycling and reduces litter, though you pay a little extra for the container upfront. It is usually around 25 or 10 euro cents, but it can vary and small amounts add up to big discounts.
वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है नचते ने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे
We are on the news.
जैसा कि आपने देखा होगा कि हमारी फोटो और लव स्टोरी के मीडिया प्रोफाइल पर दिखे देते हैं जो वास्तविक कहानी नहीं है।
यदि आप वास्तविक स्टोरी जानना चाहते हैं, कृपया इस वीडियो पर कमेंट करें ताकि हम आपको समझा सकें।
हार्दिक,
गब्रिएला।
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie chocolate
things we bring from India.
Whenever we visit.
Part 1. First thing, we bought some plates. Indian thali for our home.
Also thali.
But for aarti and
For puja.
send for agarbattis.
Means to design.
We bring a lot of agarbattis, the incense stick, and that's something you can bring only with you in the luggage. You cannot send by parcel.
Indian secret 40.
Last but not least, do you know what it is? Let us know in the comments.
Please.
Do you want part 2? Guys, look what came by post today to us. It's our wedding photos. Let me call Hardik.
Oh, nice picture.
This right here is my favorite thing ever. In the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I stay awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Have you tried Indian Domino's? We ordered a few items, a paneer tikka pocket and 2 pizzas. We tried paneer cheese pizza with pizza sauce, but our definite favorite was the onion pizza. Indian Domino's offers spices to sprinkle on your pizza, and the slices covered in both kinds of masalas are just getting better. First time in life we are trying star fruit, and it looks like this. As you can see, nothing special till it's not cut, but once it's cut, it's a little tiny star. So let's take a bite. Something interesting. A little like citrus fruit, but not really.
I wasn't expecting that many juice.
Guys, if you would like to see everything that happened in Pavagat Temple, not only trying the star fruit, please watch the full video from Pavagat
And
Temple.
subscribe also our channel, The Spicy
Masala.
So we've been to Dolphinarium in Harderwijk. The place makes a great impression, and you should see something like this at least once in your life. A lot of interactions with the swimming mammals and the dolphin trick show as a main attraction. Watch the full video on the Spicy Masala channel.
Traveling by train in India. The station is always crowded. We always choose a train car with beds. Finding your seat, there is easy morning journeys begin with chai that is sold on the train. Warm snacks are available too. View along railways are quite nice. We tried looking at the road when the train slowed down. Cabby was a bit afraid, but overall it was exciting. We had some fun time too with games and conversation. Sleeping at night was not bad. I didn't sleep very well, but for my wife, no noise could disturb her sleep. In the morning, I ran out on the nearest station to bring some warm breakfast. And that is...
Do you know why this outfits? Today is the King's Day. Every town and city is covered in Dutch flags and orange color. Of course, we put on orange outfits and went to celebrate. It is the only day when you can set up your stall and legally sell things tax and registration free for a little price. The biggest celebration takes place in Amsterdam, but you can find parties and activities everywhere else too. Kingdom sweets are everywhere, but the most traditional is orange tampoes. Of course, we couldn't miss out on eating it. Lang leve de koning!
A rich man's world.